Remember this study in which garlic won out as the #1 anti-cancer vegetable? Well, let's see what it can do. This is what's called a COMET assay, currently the standard technique for the evaluation of DNA damage. What you're looking at is the DNA of a single cell, a normal human breast cell, as visualized under a fluorescence microscope. It's in an electric field trying to pull the negative charged DNA to the right, but our DNA is normally supercoiled tightly together. But you add a carcinogen, like in this case the cooked meat chemical PhIP, that literally breaks up our DNA. You can see the chopped pieces of DNA breaking away and flowing out in kind of like the tail of a comet, which is why they call it the comet tail test. The larger the tail, the more DNA has been broken off into pieces. But if you repeat the experiment, and this time, what if you add the same amount of carcinogen, but also add in some garlic phytonutrients at the same time? You get some damage, some DNA breakage, but not as much as before. Which kind of garlic would be expected to work the best? Garlic or elephant garlic, the so-called garlic for people who don't like garlic? And the answer appears to be garlic.
In this brief video, we'll identify the need for antiviral medicines, how they differ from antibiotics, and we'll offer some safe, natural antiviral supplements. From aspirin to penicillin, some of our most trusted treatments have been derived from plants and other natural sources. Drugs that target bacterial infections are known as antibiotics. Drugs that treat viral infections are known as antivirals. Although the development of antibiotics changed the course of health and disease more than a century ago, very few antiviral medications have yet been developed. Like the common cold, the vast majority of infections are spread via viruses, for which there are few treatments available. The missing meds, the need for antivirals. This leaves a strong immune system as the best defense against viral infections. Now, there are a number of safe, natural antiviral supplements which can boost the immune system and prevent viral infections. Garlic. Fresh, crushed garlic is a well-known antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory, which has been used since ancient times. However, its properties diminish with cooking, making a half clove of raw garlic or 3 cloves of cooked garlic an optimal dose for obtaining its health benefits.